Hey y'all, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my first ever Clean With Me video. I'm going to be using Non-Toxic Thieves Cleaner by Young Living. Drew and I recently ditched all of our harsh chemicals and swapped all of our cleaning products to the Thieves. They have everything that you can think of, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well it cleaned my whole house. You saw in my video yesterday how I diluted some of the Thieves products, and I was really excited to be able to use them today. I love my cute amber bottles that I got for my products. I got those from my Amazon shop. I'll link that down below. I also got those cute descriptive labels from Etsy, and I'll link that below as well. I made two different Thieves cleaner. This one just has baking soda in it, so I can get a deeper clean. In my hot water, I'm just going to use 1 capful of the Thieves cleaner and then a few drops of lemon. This smells so good. All of their products are a true citrus scent. There's no toxins in them, no chemical smells. It just smells super fresh. So my house today smells so clean. I'm even using this on the glass. There was no streaking, and I was really impressed at how well that it did. Today I'm going to take the flannel sheets off of our bed and put these new sheets on that I have for spring and summer. I'm going to go ahead and wash those up, and I'm going to use my new Thieves laundry soap, and it smells so fresh. This one has baking soda in it. I've used this one to clean my sink, my shower, and my toilets. This is Purification Essential Oil by Young Living, and I purchased these wool dryer balls off of Amazon, and I have these on my Amazon shop. I'm just putting some purification oil on them and tossing them in the dryer. You can use whatever scent you would like. This is just a much healthier way than using those cancer-causing dryer sheets. This is a homemade essential oil spray that I made, and I am just going to use this to spray on our mattress and our pillows to kind of freshen them up. Our new sheets came out smelling so good. I really cannot wait to sleep on them tonight. I'm going to use the same stuff that I was using for my mirror, and I'm going to spray it on my Swiffer. I was super pleased with how my dishes came out after using the Thieves dishwashing detergent. I had to use the whole Thieves line cleaning my house. It smells so fresh and clean, and I do not have those harsh chemical smells. I hope y'all enjoyed this first ever Clean With Me video. I am wore out and I'm so excited that I got my house all clean and tidy. I got it done just in time before Drew got home. He said that the house looked really good, so I was super pleased to hear that. I'm going to go rest now. Bye guys.